The process has been really, really simple, very painless. One of the things that I really liked was the personal touch, the welcoming pack, because one of the things as you move in, there's always a day or two while you're scrambling to find plates and stuff like that, and how do you wash dishes, and the fact there was a lot of personal touch to that little welcoming pack that I thought was very, very nice, and I enjoyed that. My name is Micah Hammond and I live in Frisco Ridge. Well, I work for the railroad, and so when I had to move up to Yukon, I'm on a little bit of a time period, and so the fact that Tabor Homes had a move-in ready home is what appealed to me, along with some of the features. Well, Frisco Ridge was the one that had the inventory and the house that we liked, and I'll be honest, we wanted to live out in Yukon based on some feedback we'd gotten from other people who worked for the railroad. The process was very quick and easy. This is the 7th house we bought. The railroads moved us a bunch, and this has been very quick and easy. My company had provided me a real estate agent, and then I worked with the community sales manager as well. The communication was actually great. The day we came over and visited Frisco Ridge, the real estate agent actually had COVID, so she was out for 2 weeks. But she set up and I came over and I met him over there, and he was great. And it was, again, real simple, real easy. We got to see, I think, 4 homes the first day and settled on one. One of my favorite features is the openness of downstairs. We like to congregate together in the living room, and my wife is often in the kitchen. She does a lot of cooking, and she likes to feel like she's included in everything, and the fact that the kitchen right there is facing the living room where we're all in is our favorite feature.